Good morning, students. This is Latif, sir. Today, I'll discuss about different methods of representation of concentration of solution. Different methods of representation of concentration of solution. Okay. There are a number of ways to express the relative amount of solute and solvent in the solution. There are a number of ways to express the relative amount of solute and solvent in the solution. And different units are used to express concentration such as percentage strength or percentage composition, molarity, normality, mole fraction. These are some units of representation of concentration of a solution. So first see percentage composition or percent strength. There are two types of percent strength. One is mass percentage, that is W by W, that means mass of solute divided by mass of solvent. In case of mass percent, you have to take mass of solute and mass of solution. Okay. And what is mass percentage? The mass percentage is the mass of solute per 100 gram of solution. It is the mass of solute per 100 gram of solution. Suppose W1 gram solute is dissolved in W2 gram solvent. Then what will be the mass percentage? The mass percentage will be mass of solute divided by mass of solution, that is into 100. So mass of solute, that means W1, and mass of solution will be W1 plus W2. Mass of solution is equal to mass of solute plus mass of solvent. I have told that W1 gram solute dissolved in W2 gram solvent. W1 gram solute dissolved in W2 gram solvent, then mass of the solution will be W1 plus W2. So mass percentage of the of solute will be equal to W1 divided by, W1 is the mass of solute divided by mass of solution, that is W1 plus W2 into 100. This is the mass percentage. And now mass percent volume, that is W by V percent, where W is the mass of solute and V is the volume of the solution. Here you have to take mass of solute and volume of solution, not mass of the solution. Okay. So mass percent volume, it is defined as the mass percent volume is the mass of solute per 100 ml, per 100 ml of the solution, not per 100 gram of the solution. It is per 100 ml of the solution. The mass percent volume is the mass of solute per 100 ml of the solution. If W gram of solute is present in V ml of the solution, suppose W gram of solute present in V ml of the solution, then percentage strength W by V percent, that means mass percent volume is percentage strength is equal to mass of solute, that is W, divided by volume of solution, that is V, capital V, into 100. This is the formula of calculation of mass percent volume, that is W by V percent. Okay. Now another unit of representation of concentration of solution is molarity. Molarity, it is represented by capital M. So what is molarity? It is one type of unit of representation of concentration of a solution. And the definition of molarity is the molarity is defined as the molarity of a solution is the number of moles. Molarity is the defined molarity of a solution is defined as the number of moles of solute per liter of solution. That means molarity means number of moles of solute per liter of solution. Number of moles of solute, not number gram of solute, not mass of solute. It is number of moles of solute per liter of the solution. So to calculate molarity of a solution, you have to calculate the number of moles of solute. And I think you know how to calculate number of moles of solute. I am saying again, to calculate the number of moles of a solute present in a solution, you have to divide the mass of the solute by molecular weight of the solute. To calculate number of moles of a solute, you have to divide mass of the solute by its molecular weight. Okay. So according to definition, molarity is equal to number of moles of solute divided by volume of solution in liters. Okay. Suppose W gram of solute is present in ml of the solution. W gram of solute is present in ml of the solution. Then molarity of the solution will be W by M, where M is the molecular weight of the solute. I have told that molarity is equal to number of moles divided by volume. So I have told W gram of solute dissolved in V ml of solution. That means W gram means you have to convert the mass W into its number of moles. So you have to divide the mass W by its molecular weight M. So W by M is the number of moles. So molarity is equal to W by M divided by V. That means W by M into V. Where M is the molecular weight or molar mass of the solute. And one point you have to remember, molarity of a solution decreases with increase in temperature. Molarity of solution decreases with increase in temperature. Another type of unit of representation of concentration of a solution, it is molality. It is another type of representation, another type of unit of representation of concentration of a solution. Molality, like molarity, it is molality, not molarity. And molality is expressed by small m. It is represented by lowercase m. Okay. So molarity, it is defined, molarity. It is molality. Molality of a solution is the number of moles. Molality of a solution is the number of moles of solute dissolved in exactly 1 kilogram of solvent. That means molality means number of moles of solute per kg of solvent, not per liter of solvent, per liter of solution. In case of molarity, it is number of moles per liter of solution, and in case of molality, it is number of moles per kg of solvent, not per kg of solution. It is per kg of solvent. Okay. So molality is equal to moles of solute divided by mass of solvent in kilogram, that is kg. So molality is the moles of solute divided by mass of solvent in kilogram. If W1 gram of solute of molar mass M1, if W1 gram of solute of molar mass M1 gram per mole is dissolved in W2 gram of solvent, if W1 gram of a solute of molar mass capital M1 is dissolved in W2 gram of a solvent, then molality will be equal to 1000 into W1 divided by M1 into W2. 1000 W1 divided by M1 into W2. This is the formula of calculation of molality. Okay, you have to remember the formula also. And one important point that you have to remember, molality is independent on temperature. Molality is independent on temperature. Next type of unit of representation of concentration of solution is normality. It is normality, and it is represented by capital N. Capital N. What is normality? Normality of a solution is the number of gram equivalent. Normality of the solution is the number of gram equivalent of solute present in 1 liter of solution. Number of gram equivalent, it is number of gram equivalent, not number of moles. In case of normality, normality is the number of gram equivalent of solute present in 1 liter of solution, that is number of gram equivalent per liter of solution. It is known as normality. So normality is equal to number of gram equivalent of solute divided by volume of the solution. Now how to calculate number of gram equivalent? Last day I have discussed about how to calculate equivalent weight. Okay. And how to calculate number of gram equivalent? Number of gram equivalent of solute is equal to mass of the solute in gram divided by equivalent weight of the solute. Okay. So how to calculate number of gram equivalent? You have to divide mass of solute in gram divided by its equivalent weight. Okay. So normality means number of gram equivalent of solute per volume per liter of solution. That means normality is equal to number of gram equivalent of solute divided by volume of the solution in liter. And normality also decreases with increase in temperature. That means normality also depends on temperature. Now last type of unit of representation of concentration is mole fraction. Mole fraction, it is represented by capital X. And what is mole fraction? The mole fraction of a component in a solution is the ratio of number of moles of that component to the total number of moles of all components in the solution. The mole fraction of a component in a solution is the ratio of number of moles of that component to the total number of moles of the component in the solution. So mole fraction of a component in a solution is equal to number of moles of that component divided by total number of moles present in the solution. For example, suppose a solution containing A, B, C, these solutes, okay, and mole number of and how to calculate mole fraction of A, solute A? Mole fraction of solute A, mole fraction of solute A is if mole fraction of solute A is XA, then XA is equal to moles of A divided by mole of A, moles of B, moles of C, like this. That means XA is equal to moles of A divided by moles of A plus moles of B plus moles of C, like this. Similarly, if you want to calculate mole fraction of B, that is XB, is equal to moles of B divided by moles of A plus moles of B plus moles of C, like this. Okay, that means you have to divide the mole number of that particular component by the total mole number of the solution. Okay, if you want to get the mole fraction of any component of a solution, then you have to divide the mole number of that component by the total number of moles present in the solution. Okay, thank you students.